Welcome to the next frontier in AI. It is upon us, not a robo-prince, but robo-lawyers. Next month, a robot, actually an artificial intelligence computer app, will argue its first case in court. I know what you are thinking, the robot in a suit in a courtroom. Not yet, but that may not be far off. In next month's case, the DoNotPay app will run on a defendant's smartphone. It listens to the court arguments in real time and tells the defendant what to say via an earpiece. Joshua Browder invented DoNotPay to contest parking tickets and speeding tickets in 2015 and joins us now. So this is really going to be a real case.
Yes. For years, we've represented people over letters, sending angry letters to companies and getting people out of tickets. But this is the first time that AI will be used in a physical courtroom. The AI will be whispering in someone's ear during a speeding ticket hearing exactly what to say.
Okay, and this is in the United States or in the UK?
In the United States, despite my accent.
All right, and the person who is the defendant in this case pays, what, $59 a year?
We're giving it to them for free, and we're even offering to pay their speeding ticket if they lose. I tweeted out an offer to be the first ever AI court case, and hundreds of people reached out, and we picked 2 cases to use our AI for.
That's wild. Have you gotten any pushback from lawyers who are saying, wait a second, we can't do this?
Yeah, lawyers are saying I should be in jail. They're very angry because their profession is threatened. But we found 2 areas where the court rules don't explicitly forbid AI and technology and electronic devices. It was a struggle finding courtrooms where this would be allowed, but we found 2.
You seem to not want to tell us which 2 these are.
Yeah, I think it's in the letter of the law, but it's not in the spirit of the law. So I think that if we were to reveal in advance where it was, we would get shut down because no one could have ever imagined that AI will be defending people in courts using DoNotPay.
Yeah, and judges are lawyers too, so there you go. Cost of law school, $206,000. Your app costs a whole lot less. Speeding tickets, the stakes are pretty low, right? And parking tickets as well. But if all of a sudden the AI gives you bad advice in arguing a case with big money involved or tells you to confess when you're not supposed to confess, how do you hold it responsible?
I think that our mission is to automate all of consumer rights. So use AI to fight utility companies when they charge too much. We're staying in our lane and definitely not defending people from murder. I think there have to be rules, but there's no lawyer who's going to get out of bed for a $500 Comcast refund. And so that's a perfect job for AI because it's not even replacing the lawyer. It's serving an unserved kind of part of the legal industry.
Yeah, well, the graphics department had fun wondering whether I could be replaced with AI. Can you program me?
Well, it's really powerful. In the past year, I would say that AI has got 100 times better. There's this amazing thing called ChatGPT, which both businesses and consumers can use. And so it's scary times. I wouldn't want to be a lawyer charging hundreds of dollars to copy and paste documents. The billboard lawyers should be very worried.
Yeah, I would imagine that watching this, and they're worried if they're threatened. Hey, Joshua, this is fascinating. Do me a favor, when the court case happens, will you come back and report how it worked, all right?
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
If I'm not in jail.
Well, if you're in jail, it's a story too. We'll cover it. It's good to see you. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
All right. Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.